Hop into the 2019 Nissan Titan. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, running boards, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.